Social media has indeed changed our lives. It's funny how easy can everyone just post picture-perfect moments and share it to their loved ones by just tagging them or just simply mentioning him through a comment. And it's amazing how people can communicate with their loved ones or with their friends wherever they are as long as they have the internet connection. And yes, it's all because of social media. It's funny how every adventure isn't complete without a selfie. Every food trip isn't complete without a photo of their food. And every birthday party isn't complete without an IG story. It's funny how social media changed how things work in coffee shops, in dining tables, in adventures, and even in your houses in the living room. Before, everyone talks and everyone socializes with their family and friends. But right now, everyone seems to be stuck in these handheld devices trying to connect with their friends online. And it's ironic how detached are we in the physical world and we are so attached in this virtual world. Is this virtual world everything? Is this the best place to spend time with? Perhaps our greatest place for escape? Indeed, moments are best captured with a photo, a video, or even a post because you can just look back easily with your phone in social media. But sometimes this environment, this world, this virtual world gets toxic if not handled properly. And worse comes to worse, you can be phished, you can be scammed, or even you could be cyberbullied. What is the greatest escape then? Turn off your phones or put them on airplane mode and just enjoy the outside world or the world you live in. Disconnect to connect. Smile and don't forget to share peace and love. Give time and sit down with your family, friends, or even your colleagues. And for sure you will gain unforgettable moments that isn't best captured with a photo, or a video, or a post in social media. That is best to be captured with a flash of memory that will always make you smile throughout the day. Don't let your online activity destroy your real world awesomeness. Don't forget you live in a real world, not in a virtual world. Now, ask yourself, have you disconnected to connect?
Share peace and love.
Share peace and love. Share peace and love. Share peace and love.
Share peace.
Share peace and love.
Share peace and love!